So today we're also pleased to launch 2 new high power pressure washers. Like everything else, this is aimed at the professional user, particularly aimed at agriculture, construction sites, into workshop use, and so on. 7.5 and 15 kilowatt engines, again the same as the replacement engines that have also been launched to this show and has been tested by the JCB engine division. They come with a very high quality Italian pump, which again has been tested in terms of its professional capability and has a capability in terms of detergent and also things like snow foam, so that it's using some of the latest chemicals that the user would expect to run through these types of machines. Framework has been constructed so that it's very high use, very suits the rigours of the sites where it will be used, and again with rugged wheels to get it over the rough terrain suitable for the uses that it will be put through.